Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. Now before we start the analysis, if you are new to this channel, then make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification. After watching this video, if you find some values, so subscribe and like. And below the video, you will find many links. The top 4 links are for those people who wants to make money in swing trading. Okay, so the first link says swing trading on automation, so you can click on this link, then come to this page here, and then this is the the software I have created, which you can install on your chart and start your daily swing trading. Okay, so maybe I'm the first human on the planet to automate daily swing trading, so I have transferred my human knowledge into this robot, and everything is created by me. So if you want to automate the whole process of daily charts into trading, then check out the first link below which says swing trading on automation. Then second link is about join free Telegram. So make sure you connect with my free Telegram at least if you want to get some signals every now and then, or you want to stay updated. So join Telegram absolutely for free. Just below that, you have a link which says join premium signals. So in case you want to get some premium signals, you can check that out. And then check out the brokers in the prop firm right here. And make sure you join these brokers because I have been using them for last maybe 4 years and more. And they have, no issues in withdrawals, because when you are into trading, the biggest problem is if your broker will pay you the money on time or not, or if they will run away with your money. Okay, so these are those trusted brokers in the pro firms. So go and join them to start your trading journey. Subscribe, like all of that, and check out these links. As I said, top 4 links are for traders, and these below links are for affiliate marketing. If you want to make money with affiliate marketing on YouTube or other stuff. Okay, so you can check out everything. Top 4 belongs to the traders, right? And especially if you want to automate everything, then check out the first one and come to this page. Watch this video to see the results. Now subscribe, like blah blah blah. Now let's start the analysis. Alright, USDJPY today analysis. So before we start the analysis, I want to show you the results of my EA. As you can see, this is a demo account, but $10,000 demo account started on 5 September 2025. Okay, so we made some money here. As you can see, the growth and the profits right here. Okay, and I just wanted to show you this because we are live now. And yeah, so go and check out the first link below if you want to get the software. Otherwise, coming back to the chart, starting your top down approach with a weekly time frame. Weekly, we are working very smoothly, but you will never get the opportunity to get in. Okay, so I told you many times we're gonna take down this side. That's your TP1, and this is your TP1, TP2. Okay, so this is the weekly time frame. Price will come here, almost there. Okay, it's only 200 pips to go. So I think I had been yelling, screaming all this time that USDJPY is gonna take down this high. It's almost there. Okay, but the only problem with the USDJPY is you never get a chance to get in. Okay, so you will never have the opportunity if you're not smart, sharp, clever. If you did not enter here, then you hardly then you can't enter here, because you can't just enter on one red candle, because one red candle means that you will think that okay, the price might come until the EMA, but in pairs like USD JPY and USD CAD, it doesn't necessarily go all the way to the EMI. So in the USD JPY, you will hardly get a chance to get in. Okay, but I'll tell you the secret. The secret in USD JPY to get in is 4-hour rejection from the EMI. Okay, you see here, this was your entry, this blue candle was your entry, again rejection here, this blue candle was your entry, and now you have to wait for the rejection from the EMI in 4 hour, not the daily will never come. Rejection will not come in daily. Okay, in 4 hour, wait for the price to reject the EMI and then blue candle, and then you go long and then take your weekly profits of how much, 157 something. Okay, that's too much for free. Okay, subscribe, like blah blah blah. I'll see you in my next videos. Till then, take care. Check out the links below and get the software if you want. I'll see you in my next videos. Bye bye.